I asked you guys if we should open up the Clone Wars 2003 figures. You guys said yes. So I guess we're going to do it today. Not really a cool card back. Anakin Skywalker after his fight with Asajj. And now it's time for the 3-pack. We're unboxing history, boys. So just a little run through. We got Kenobi, Fordo, and Anakin. And then Anakin after his fight with Asajj. Super sick. I love them. The detail is insane. Looks like just straight up ripped out of the Genndy Tartakovsky's 2D Clone Wars.